In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the direct purchase invoices in Teleprime. As we can see on 3rd of January, purchased following items from Franklin Textile. That means we are directly purchasing the items. It doesn't say purchase order placed or received the cloth, something like that. So it happens when we purchase items frequently from a particular vendor. Many times we don't follow the complete purchase cycle. Instead, we just enter the purchase invoice directly. So we have purchased something from Franklin Textile on credit, and the vendor offers 2% discount policy of the payment within 10 days. So that means although the payment is by default due in, let's say, 30 days, but if we pay within 10 days, we get 2% discount. So let's see how we can enter this. First of all, if you are in Daybook, you can add the voucher directly by just holding the alternate key and press A. Alternate A is the short key to directly enter into the voucher creation mode. Or otherwise, if you want to make it from the main screen, Gateway of Tele, just click on vouchers and there you are. We will click on the purchases on our right, and now we are in the purchase voucher. Supplier invoice number, I'll just mention that, and the date is 31st of January. We are purchasing from Franklin Textiles. And this one is our new vendor. So I'll just create the vendor, alternate C, to just directly enter the creation mode. Right here, Franklin Textiles. It goes under accounts payable. Now I have changed the name from sundry creditors to account payable. If you haven't changed it, you will find sundry creditors here. Maintain bill by bill balances, yes. Control A to save. And rest all the details, I'll keep it as it is. Press Ctrl A and Ctrl A again. Purchase ledger is already created, but it's very simple to create. Alternate C, you just need to press alternate C to create it, and the settings are as follows. Just write the name as purchases and it goes under purchase accounts. That's it. And now let's start entering the items. First item is zips. Order number is not applicable. Quantity is 8,000. Rate is 15. This makes the total to 120,000. End of list. Go on the second line. On the second line, we have cloth A. Order is not applicable. Quantity is 40,000. Rate is 100. And this makes the total to 4 million. Enter. End of list. Go on the third line. Next item is Bukram. Order is not applicable. Quantity is 25,000. Rate is 10. This makes it total to 250,000. End of list. Next we have is threads. Quantity is 20,000. Rate is 10. This makes the total to 200,000. End of list. Go on the second line. Next is button shirts. Order is not applicable. Quantity is 90,000. Rate is 1. This makes the total to 90,000. Go on the next line, and next we have button pants. So right here, button pants. Order is not applicable. Quantity is 10,000. Rate is 5, and this makes the total to 50,000. End of list. And all set. You just need to enter the narration, and we can mention that it is a new reference. It will automatically pick up the same invoice number that we have mentioned in the background. So this is it. You can just select all the figures to see the total and make sure the totals are correct. 4710,000 and 4710,000 here as well. Just copy and paste this narration right here. Or if you're unable to copy it from here, you just copy by just double clicking within the cell and then just copy and paste the narration here. So all set. The only thing is of discount, but that we will only see when we pay for the discount. So this is how we can enter the direct purchases in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.